Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we will show you how to reorder strips in Wix. This is useful when we want to rearrange sections of our page and improve the overall layout of our website. Let's get started. On the Wix editing dashboard, we have our strips here, and we want to rearrange them. All we need to do is right-click on a strip, and we will see the reorder option appear. We can open this for one strip, then do the same for the next strip so that we can enable reordering for all 4 strips. Once that is done, all we need to do is click the drag icon that appears. When we drag a strip, we can move it to wherever we want it. As we move it, the strips will switch positions automatically. Just keep an eye on which strip is being moved so we place it in the right spot. And that is how we reorder strips in Wix. We can organize our content exactly the way we want it.